I'm Hannah from WTI, and this little guy is my AVANTEK wireless doorbell. It is awesome. It is so easy to install. It is battery operated, dustproof, waterproof, and it has a 1,000-foot range. I'll show you the receiver on the inside of the house. So this is the receiver. It plugs into any normal wall outlet, and the speaker is on the back there. On the sides is where you can adjust the volume and choose which one of the 52 different chimes or songs you'd like to hear. And that was just a tiny sample of all of the different songs that it contains. This was so easy to install. All you did was stick it to the wall, and there was no hardwiring required. Simple as that. So if you're looking for a affordable, low-tech, easy to install, don't need to get an app for your phone or hardwire or do any labor-intensive setup, this doorbell is the one for you. I super recommend it. I think you should get one, but that's just my point of view.